Welcome here to Skuby Vision. This is going to be the first of our bando hunting logs via video. This place is definitely pretty sweet. Toss a drone right through there. Actually a really freaky place because every time the wind comes through here, it's making some crazy howling sounds from those trees. Seems to be a lot of gaps here. Kind of untouched. There's some crazy wildlife out here. Try not to step on any of those guys. Step back here. Some more gaps upon gaps. More howling back at those trees. I do believe these were barracks at some point. My guesstimate, because of where this location is. Yeah, this is a fun fly. Structure right there. This place is pretty cool. There's a trail that goes down there, but I'm not going to attempt to go through this one.
I don't think anybody's been back here for a while because there's a lot of overgrowth, like actually in the drive path. But it's a great spot. Yeah, like this whole tree right here is overgrown into the path.